Have some big ass birds in the back of my shit. God damn. Bird big as hell. I be posing like he motherfucking a model and shit. This motherfucker right here. This motherfucker posing like he a model and shit.